guys, welcome to the next tutorial of the series Programming in Python, and in this tutorial we will see how to create vectors and how to assess the various elements of a vector. Since now we have already discussed how to create vectors, so in this tutorial we will also see the other methods of creating vectors. So let's start. To create a vector, what you need to do is you can define that x is equal to let us say that the first way to define a vector is, let us say we want to print the number between 5 to 12. So this is the first way to create a vector. So, and the second way to create a vector, let us say we are going to create another, that we can also create the vectors with the help of using the sequence operator. So let us say seq command, and we want to create the vector from 5 to 12, and from 5 to 12 with a difference of by is equal to 1. So this is the second way to create a similar vector. We will be getting the same output. And the third way to create a vector we have already known, using the C operator. So we can create it by the C operator, but we need to list the every element in this case, and we can 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, okay, up to 12. So these are the three different types of defining the vectors, and let us try to print the output of all of these three vectors. Print y, print z, so we have defined three vectors, and let us now run the output. So here you can see that we have defined three vectors in the three different ways, and we can see that the output of all of these three vectors are the same. So these are the ways to define vectors, and let me tell you that the vectors are the most basic type of data objects in R, and there are 6 types of atomic vectors. There are logical, integer, double, complex, character, and the row vectors. We have already discussed that thing, and now let us see how we can assess the vector elements. So to assess the different vector elements, we can assess them with the help of the square braces. So let us now assess the vector x. So x is equal to, let us say that we want to assess the x, and with the help of square braces we can do this. And let us say we want the second, fourth, and sixth element. And now let us also print the output. So here you can see that we have assessed the second, fourth, and sixth element of the vector x. So this is the way to assess the various elements of the vector, and we have also discussed how to manipulate the different variables, like using different types of operators on these vectors. So this was the fifth tutorial of this series, and I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.